In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe in this quick and straightforward tutorial. This guide is perfect if you're new to Stripe or if you simply need a refresher on how to generate professional invoices efficiently. Now let's dive right in and walk through the entire process together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go straight to the Stripe dashboard. If you're working within a testing environment to get a feel for how everything works before going live, go to the Home section of your Stripe dashboard, which is part of your new Business Sandbox account. This is a great resource provided by Stripe to safely learn and experiment with invoicing and other features without affecting any real transactions or customer data. Once you're on your Stripe dashboard and ready to start creating an invoice, navigate to the Invoices section. Here you will find the option to create an invoice. Click on that and you'll be taken to the invoice customization page. This is where the real fun begins. Stripe makes it incredibly user-friendly to tailor your invoice to suit your needs and branding. You'll notice several fields that you can fill out. Start by entering the billing details for your customer. This includes the customer's name, email, and billing address. Make sure these are as accurate as possible to avoid any confusion or delivery issues. If this customer is one you've previously added to your Stripe account, you can easily select their profile, saving yourself some time and effort. Next, it's time to add the line items that make up this invoice. This could be products, services, or anything else you might be billing for. Specify each item, its quantity and price, and don't forget to apply any taxes if applicable. The great thing about Stripe is that it calculates the total for you, ensuring precision and eliminating any potential errors you might make manually. Once you've input all necessary details, you might want to review and adjust the invoice's settings. You have options to set payment terms, such as net 30 or immediate payment upon receipt. You can also include a memo or add notes to give your client a personal touch or offer additional information if necessary. Finally, take one last look to ensure everything is correct and reflects the terms you agreed upon with your customer. When you are satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and send your invoice by clicking the Send button. Your customer will receive it via email, and thanks to Stripe's integrated payment feature, they can pay directly through the invoice, making the process seamless for both parties. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to creating an invoice with Stripe. By following these steps, you're well on your way to managing your business transactions more effectively and professionally. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy invoicing!